Jamaican Sure Fishing here, peoples. Check it out, peoples. We out here this morning. We decided our mind that we're gonna throw some lures this morning and get some video footage in for you guys. I came out with one rod, peoples. Check it out, one rod. Got my line set up. Gonna walk the shores and see what's up, see if we can catch some footage for you guys. Well, stay tuned, guys. Let's get this footage in for you guys, see if we can pick something up for you guys this morning. Hopefully nothing goes wrong with this camera. I'm waiting for one of our guys from our club to get here, Yam. Hopefully he gets here on time. I see some jackfish running out there. Let's see what's up, people. See if we can get this lure out there, get into the water as quick as possible, and get ourselves a fish this morning. Alright, let's get a leader line out here. And one of these spoons out. Alright, peoples, we got the leader line out and we're gonna get this thing hooked up here, get this lure on, and get in the water real quick. We're gonna work with a spoon lure today, peoples, 1/4 ounce spoon lure. See if we can probably pick up a jack early this morning. The water looks really calm, not much of a wind. Hopefully I'll get a good cast with this new line that I put on here. We're gonna see what's up, peoples. Lure fishing with Jamaican Sure Fishing. That's what's up. Alright, peoples, we all strung up. Let's get walking. Video camera. Alright, let's get this one on. Ooh, fish on, peoples. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, peoples. This is what's up. Ooh. Nice barra. Hoo-hoo. Striker. Yo. Yo, youth. You're not going back over there. See, I'm going a front one. You're never too small. Go on, sir. Ooh! Yes, I. Father Yam land another lizard fish again. Yeah. So I think set. Striker striking today. Yes, I. Look on the string already, man. Done hold a couple of bar on. I want jack and 2 lizard fish. We are going well in the morning, yeah, man. Now, Father Yam out here, people. We're not wrong with the thing. Yeah. Yeah, people. Me and Yam's out here doing a little bit of lure fishing today. Done caught a few fish. This is what we got so far. Yeah. Wet them up real quick. Let me forget that shit.